What's going on, everyone? Jake here from Half Grown, and I'm talking to you on the X5, and this is a 360-degree camera, and this is a 360-degree video, so you can move your phone around, or you can swipe left or right. If you're watching on a computer, use your mouse. You can look around at any point in this video 360 degrees. Now, as a creator, it's really cool because I can kind of just shoot my video and then figure out which way I want to look later. Awesome. I'm going to do that in a more interesting video as I kind of walk my dog and explain on this awesome snowy day. But yeah, look around, explore the X5. This is a super fun camera and a great tool if you're a creator. Now, you don't have to do 360 videos like this. You can do regular, standard 9x16, 16x9, 1x1, whatever, however you want to frame it, you can. That is the beauty and the awesomeness and versatility of a 360-degree camera. All right, look.
What's going on? It is a beautiful snowy day, and I've been playing around with this Insta360 X5. I can tell you this is the most versatile camera I've ever used. If you're a content creator, if you're a vlogger, if you like to capture unique video, this is the camera you want. It has been so fun. I put this on one of my fat tire bikes and took it through the snow. The dog and I have been playing with it. It's waterproof. There's so much you can do with this thing. It has so many different modes. And these two 4K lenses, right? So this is an 8K camera, but it's not like giant 8K files. It's 360-degree files. So you can kind of walk around and vlog and then get the shots later that you want. So we'll talk about that. And it sounds kind of complicated, but AI will do all of this stuff for you if you want. I got this awesome selfie stick from Insta360, and it is 12 meters, which is like 10 feet. I mean, this thing is huge. So now it looks like the dog and I are being followed by a drone, but we're not. And if you're wondering why is my audio still good and this thing is so high above us, it's because I have their microphone air or air microphone. I forget which one it is, but yeah, we're having a good old time on this snowy day. The snow is just continuing to fall, which is actually kind of awesome. But yeah, you can get we got this front shot, drone flying behind us now, drone shot above us, drone behind us. This thing is legit. Let's bring it back down. Yeah, you didn't see any of that stick motion. All right, Nala, we're gonna go for a run. Let me clean these lenses. Ready, and go.